Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're a Friends fan, you're going to love this. In this video, we're taking a nostalgic look back at the cast of Friends, how they appeared during the show's early days, and how they look now. From Rachel, Ross, Monica, Chandler, Joey, and Phoebe, we'll be seeing their incredible transformation over the years. It's a fun journey filled with memories, laughter, and a reminder of why Friends will always be one of the most loved shows in the world. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the then and now of our favorite Friends stars.